Avant, Active and Connect Interphone audio kits can be installed on any type of helmet. The pack contains microphones, both for open face and full face helmets, connection cables, speakers, adhesive supports and clip versions for helmets with irregular shapes. For this video, we will use the example of an open face helmet. If possible, firstly remove the cheek pads and padding. Identify the area inside the helmet by the ears. Position the adhesive Velcro near to the chin strap and install the speakers. If there are any, use the holes for earphones inside the helmet. Position the speakers like this. Install this type of microphone for an open face helmet. Connect the audio jack and make sure that the word mic is turned towards the mouth. Pass the cables so they remain under the padding. Once this step is finished, reattach the padding. The support with an adhesive fastening is perfect for any helmets with a normal, smooth surface. Remove the adhesive film and attach the support onto the helmet. Attach the intercom support. Insert the control unit and connect the device. For any helmets with a more irregular shape, use the support with a clip fastening, which allows for simple installation and a secure grip. If you have a full face helmet, remember to attach the dedicated microphone away from the air vents so you get clear audio with no interference while riding.